Here is your rewritten spoken text only version. Same length, smoother flow, improved clarity. Hey everyone, is your WhatsApp backup stuck, failing, or not running automatically like it should? This is a very common issue, but the good news is it's completely fixable. I'm going to walk you through all the fastest ways to get your auto backup working again. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this happens. WhatsApp auto backup can fail for a few reasons, like not having enough storage on Google Drive or iCloud, a weak or unstable internet connection, using an outdated version of WhatsApp, battery saver or data saver blocking the process, incorrect backup settings, or your Google or Apple account not being properly linked. Once you identify the cause, fixing it becomes much easier. Fix number 1, check your cloud storage. This is the most common issue. If your Google Drive or iCloud storage is full, WhatsApp won't be able to complete the backup. On Android, open Google Drive and check your storage. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and check your available space. If it's full, delete unnecessary files or upgrade your storage. Once space is available, the backup should work right away. Fix number 2, check your internet connection. WhatsApp backups need a stable connection to complete. If your backup is set to Wi-Fi only, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. If your Wi-Fi is unstable, try switching to mobile data and run a manual backup to see if it completes successfully. Fix number 3, review your backup settings. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and tap Chat Backup. Here you can see your last backup. Make sure your Google account or Apple ID is properly linked. Set your backup frequency to daily so it runs automatically. Also check the Backup Over option and allow mobile data if needed. Then tap Backup Now to test it. Fix number 4, turn off battery saver and data saver. These settings often block WhatsApp from running in the background. Battery saver limits background activity, and data saver restricts data usage. On Android, go to Settings and disable both battery and data saver. On iPhone, turn off low power mode. Once these are off, backups can run normally again. Fix number 5, update WhatsApp and related services. An outdated app can cause backup issues. Go to the Play Store or App Store and update WhatsApp. If you're on Android, also update Google Play services since WhatsApp depends on it for backups. Keeping everything updated helps fix bugs and improves performance. Fix number 6, unlink and relink your account. Go to WhatsApp settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup, and tap your linked account. Remove it and then add it again. This refreshes the connection and fixes any hidden errors. After that, tap Back Up Now to make sure everything is working. And that's it. Check your storage, fix your connection, update your settings, disable restrictions, update your apps, and relink your account. Follow these steps one by one, and your WhatsApp auto backup should start working perfectly again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.